How to fix PS5 Error CE-11773-6. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically fix PS5 Error CE-11773-6 error. So make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you're having such type of issues, then how you can do to fix this is that we have to understand to what issue this issue is actually related with. So typically, PS5 error code CE-11773-6 appears when trying to play online games that actually require PlayStation Plus. So it means either your PS Plus subscription has expired or the PSN servers are facing major issue and you cannot access PlayStation Network. It could be that maybe your card details got expired and now you no longer have PlayStation Plus subscription, right? Or maybe that whenever you have the PlayStation Plus subscription, you downloaded the game from the subscription and now you just went ahead and canceled the subscription, and that is one of the reasons why you're also not being able to log in, or maybe just try to play that online game. So make sure that you resume the subscription, or maybe just try to go to your payment settings from the top right and going to users and accounts section, going to the option called subscriptions over here, and once you go to the option called subscription, just try to resubscribe to PlayStation Plus in order to see if that helps you solve your problem. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries and doubts, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.